Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Google Forms date format. First, open the Google Forms website in your web browser. Click on the blank form to create a new one. You'll see Untitled Form. Click on Untitled Question. Change the question type to date. You can now select date format with day, month, and year. Now go to your Google account by clicking your profile photo. Click Manage your Google account. In the search bar, type Language. Click Preferred Language and tap Add another language. Choose a language with your desired date format. And that's it. That's how to change Google Forms date format. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.